Laura Kennedy. I am coming to you live to share with you this Sous Vide Starbucks egg bite deliciousness. Now, when I was away on business, I got very addicted to these bites. I thought they were keto, and it was a huge womp, womp, womp moment for me, because I came back and I actually looked at the nutritional information on this, and it's not so keto. That was totally my fault because I did not look at it before I ate it, so that's on me. But today, we are going to make it fully keto for you, okay? Have you guys tried these egg bites? If you are joining me live on this, go ahead and let me know where you're coming in from. And most importantly, I want to know, are you new to keto or are you a vet to keto, okay? So these are super simple. What we're gonna start off with, you need to make sure that you have an immersion blender or a Vitamix works. You need at least an ounce of cheese. We're going to do the bacon Gruyere one. So you wanna make sure that you have an ounce of Gruyere and sprinkle in some Monterey Jack. So you could do a half an ounce of each. You're going to have 1/3 cup of heavy cream, 2 eggs, 2 pieces of bacon that are already done, not so crispy, 1 tablespoon of butter. You're gonna have some salt and pepper, and then 2 ramekins, and you want to have a water bath ready to go. My phone may die, so we're gonna see what happens here. Hold on. All right. So we're gonna have to move quick. So in your blender, you are going to put in your 2 eggs. You are gonna put in the cheeses, the 1 tablespoon of melted butter, and your heavy cream. Now, I have tried this with a lot of different items, which is why this took me so long to do this for everybody. I tried it with cottage cheese. It didn't really work out that well. I didn't really like the texture because with the sous vide, you know, it's very light, it's very velvety type of texture, and you don't get that with the cottage cheese, I didn't think. So what you're gonna do then, you are just gonna blend this up really quick. Now this is really important to get this super thick, velvety texture that these egg bites encounter, okay? So you wanna make sure that you're pumping a lot of air into this. So it's gonna get loud. You ready? So now that that's all ready to go, you have a hot water bath waiting for this. You're gonna need 2 ramekins. Some people say ramekins. You're going to just take a little bit of olive oil and put them in the bottom so that they're gonna release quickly for you. And you're gonna set them into this hot water dish, just like this. Now you're gonna need a strainer. I know that you guys just pumped a whole lot of air in here, but the idea behind this is to get out some of the air bubbles at least. And if there's any leftover cheese in the strainer, you're gonna just go ahead and scoop that in here. Now you can do larger batches. I have not tried that yet, but if you try it, it should be about 350 degrees. In a bigger water bath than this, you could probably do like 6 at a time, maybe for like 40 minutes in the oven, and you're gonna be good to go. You're then gonna take your bacon, just place it in here. Does not have to be perfect. If you wanna eat some along the way, totally fine. No one's gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna do that. What you're gonna do is you're just going to go ahead and put some cellophane over this, some plastic wrap. And you're gonna put this in the microwave, guys, for about 4.5 minutes. Hopefully, if I can get this on. So 4.5 minutes into the microwave, okay? And then once it dings, what you're gonna do is you are gonna let it sit there. Do not open up the microwave at all, okay? Let it sit there for another 2.5 minutes. And I already did one, so I will show you what it looks like when it comes out. So it's gonna look like this. You're just gonna uncover this, let all the steam out. Now be careful, take some tongs. I think I just got a little crazy here and did this by my digits. Okay, you may want to have a plate ready to go, so hang tight for me. So a plate ready to go. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take a knife and you're just gonna take this around the edges to release all of that deliciousness. Okay, no more getting hoodwinked out, guys. Like I was hoodwinked when I went to IHOP and they threw pancake batter into their eggs. Guys, it's eggs, right? So we're just going to go ahead and undo them just like that. And there you go. Super quick, super easy. I'm gonna pull this over here so you guys can see them. And they turn out just as amazing. So please make sure if you like it, love it, want some more of this stuff, like, comment, and share. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. I will check you guys later. Bye.